Alright, so what's up, everybody? We have Big Juicy. We're finna put the blocks up in this bitch. Look, Juice. Look, Juice. Juice.
Hey,
oh yeah, we're gonna put this bitch in. Axle's definitely gonna fly out, no doubt. But
it's crooked already.
fuck it. Yeah, bitch already crab walking a little bit, but
So show them where it rusts.
fuck it. Look at this shit.
Other side.
Pole, look how close. That ain't nothing. Let's go around. Oops. Toe. Damn.
That's how you can tell.
Can't even fit a finger in that motherfucker. Look at the rubber coming off that bitch.
The axis is crooked.
Oh yeah.
Before, after, nigga.
Yeah, so this is before leaning like a motherfucker. I'm finna throw these blocks in, axle go fly out and all that. But yeah, we'll keep y'all updated. So,
Whoa!
alright, son. Hour later with Big Juice. We got one block in. One block in, son. Let's come around this side.
No block.
No block. We about to drop the axle on it, dude. Fucking
Send help.
sweating nuts off. Oh
Send
shit.
help.
Yeah, send help. This shit fucked. But yeah, we're about to cook. So whenever the drive shaft flies out, we'll cut back
That's
to y'all.
all my. Oh no. Let's let me see. That's all my extra crooked.
Alright, so we back. We got these spots.
2.5 hours later.
Nah, so we put this bitch in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes got that bitch in. Yeah, the other side took like 45 minutes, but she in there. Now all we gotta do is put the tire back on and watch the drive shaft fly.
Dad, my drive shaft came off. That's your problem.
Alright, so catch up when the tire back on. Alright, we got the blocks in, about to jot that bitch down. So oh shit, we dragging.
Huh?
Still shitting.
It don't look bad though.
Nah, it look good. That bitch still leaning though.
Put the tape back on that ass.
So it look pretty good. Look good shitting, but still shitting. Let's check out gaps. Let's see, got a little bit bigger gap in the front.
If my math is correct, and I don't know how to math, I should still be at a 6-inch difference.
Oh, definitely.
That's a 7?
7 in the back.
Fuck.
13 in the front.
Oh, that's 6 inches?
That's 6. That's 7.
Damn.
1 inch. Illegal.
I had to go to court for 1 inch last time.
That's wild. 1 inch illegal. Fuck it though. She leaning. Yoda. Legal as fuck. Except for the windshield tint. We ain't got the windshield tint on it no more. Alright, so that's it for right now. I'll catch y'all later, wherever the fuck we go. But yeah.
Trying to go to a meet tonight, but
Trying, but you know, 12 hours to put the blocks in. So, but we gonna see.
I'll put this in the back of my truck. Hey guys, we ended up changing the block and the damn gas pedal went out. So,
Level this
a
mother.
new gas pedal.
So level this motherfucker out.
Install.
Gas pedal went out, son. Gas pedal went out. Just throw that man gas pedal out of his truck.
So come to the conclusion, don't drive a fucking Chevy. That shit sucks.
Shit box for real. Have to change the turbinator up in here.
Yeah, the big
2 screws holding the gas pedal on. If you're trying to steal his gas pedal,
Don't
2
go for it.
screws.
No.